Talofa lava everyone. My name is Elizabeth Kumaran, or Lo'ingo Elizabeth Kumaran, and I'm one of the artists who had the privilege to be chosen as one of the artists for I think the first ever Tautai Fellowship Home Resident in 2020.
So tell us about your creative process.
So for me, like as you've already seen, my art practice explores a lot about word plays between the Samoan and the English language. But through the residency, I've been able to explore that into the digital field. So creating stop motion animation videos, which is something new that I've picked up over the last couple of months. And I've found that it's a really great tool, and it opens up to a lot of a wider audience.
So when your fellowship residency is launched online, what would you like people to take away?
I want people to be inspired and just find the work fun. I hope it's not too serious, but that they will also not be afraid to try new things. I mean, if they find stop motion looks fun, then give it a go. And I hope that others will learn the language as well. If they're interested in learning Samoan, they can pick up Samoan.